Good afternoon. I am Fabricio.
And I'm Valeria, and today
We'll
we
say that all with the usage funds of $100 in what we will invest.
hey, I would like to ask you, which of these options will you do with $100? Go camping, save future, travel to Paris, travel to Rome, or travel meet your favorite soccer player.
I want to travel, but I also to save. I say I will spend it on traveling to Paris, the capital of France. It's beautiful city where metal structure what is beautiful. It looks beautiful. It's clear. It's beautiful. And you, which options would you choose?
I think will now for the future because I would have more money and go on trips or go to school.
Okay, that's what we are. We see.
Bye.
Goodbye.